everyone, evening on Wednesday it means Saturday. I am back at the office now. Right now I'm here office at Rompo Mukata. And I have a new tonight we have a party for dancing for the staff for about the come and enjoy and then have fun for Mukata here. Look, I just show you guys here. Look, when you see a gas station there, motorbike there, and office here, and then you see Rompo Mukata here, and then tonight we have about tonight party about 7 p.m. You can come tonight, and then here look, see this one we separate here. Yeah, anyone come enjoy tonight. We have Thai girl walk, dancing, sing a song, and then we have party here, and then everyone come enjoy with SARCM here, and then you will see here it me and my office here. We are here, and then you come enjoy. That's why Rompo Mukata. Yeah, that's why it me here. You will see tonight here. Well, with me and I'm here, and then just call me and then come. I'm here tonight. We have party here for about open for Mukata, for office, for good luck, everything. Just come enjoy and then have fun. And it's only 299 baht. You can eat everything you want, international buffet, Thai food, English food, and then we have a brand music. We have a show, everything. Just come here, enjoy with Sassy. I'm here now, everyone. Enjoy, have a nice day, okay? Bye. Don't forget you need help everything about law driver lesson, about system, government, retirement visa, open bank account, do business. And just call me Sassy. I'm here. Bye, everyone.